Under a monumental wooden roof that seems to float among the trees, today's house slowly and poetically reveals itself within the wild nature. The House of la Baie de Lars is located on the shores of Lake Archambault in Saint-Donat-de-Montcalm in the Lanaudière region of Quebec, occupying a natural clearing once used as a summer camp. Its architecture stands out for the laminated wood roof, with generous cantilevered beams, low stone walls, and structural elements that emerge from the ground. The wooden structure is expressed as a visible grid, with overhangs that extend the interior toward the exterior, creating transitional zones sheltered beneath the eaves. The layout centers around the social areas, kitchen, living room, and dining room, all widely open to the lake, framing views between the forest and the water. The site features steep terrain, dense woodland vegetation, and rocky contours typical of the region. The construction respects the topography and occupies a naturally flat clearing. Skylights and filtered openings allow natural light to permeate the spaces, creating variations throughout the day and the seasons. The darker wooden volumes, more private, house the intimate spaces, contrasting with the glass facades and the large wooden roof. In the southern wing are the children's bedrooms, connected by a playroom and lounge area, with a vertical link to a guest suite on the mezzanine. The main suite is located to the north, accessed through a glazed corridor that acts as a threshold between the social and the private areas. coffered wooden ceiling is softly illuminated and incorporates acoustic panels to control the ambient sound. The stone walls act as anchoring and continuity elements. Some extend across the terrain as retaining walls, linking the building to the natural landscape. The continuity between interior and exterior materials reinforces the feeling that the house grows from the landscape. La Maison de la Baie de Lauers is an architecture that reveals the intrinsic qualities of its surroundings, water, topography, and vegetation. With clear tectonics, honest materials, and a fluid spatial sequence, the house offers a way of living that engages with nature without overpowering it. It is a discreet yet powerful gesture where living means contemplating, inhabiting, and being gently touched by the landscape.